Good morning and welcome back. If you're over the age of 60 and you're still having sex, I want you to stay with me because what I'm about to share may surprise you. Most people believe that changes in their sex life are simply part of getting older. They think less desire, lower energy, or avoiding intimacy is normal after 60. But after spending more than 20 years caring for older adults, I've learned that's not always the full story. Very often your sex life reflects the health of your entire body. It can reveal early signs of poor circulation, heart problems, diabetes, low muscle strength, chronic stress, poor sleep, and even depression, sometimes years before more obvious symptoms appear. That's why today's video is so important. We're going to discuss 7 things every senior over 60 should stop doing right now. These habits don't just affect your health. They may also quietly affect your confidence, your relationships, and your quality of life. One of these habits is so common that millions of older adults do it every single day without realizing the damage it may be causing. And the number one habit surprised even many doctors when newer research began connecting it with healthy aging. Before we begin, let me ask you a simple question. Have you noticed that your energy isn't what it used to be? Do you get tired more easily? Have you lost interest in intimacy even though you still love your partner? Or maybe things simply don't work the way they once did? If any of that sounds familiar, you're not alone. I recently met a 72-year-old gentleman I'll call Michael. He had been happily married for over 45 years. One afternoon, he quietly told me, "Doctor, I thought getting older meant giving up this part of my life." He wasn't asking for a prescription. He just wanted to know why everything had changed. When we looked deeper, the answer wasn't his age. It was his daily routine. He spent hours sitting. He slept poorly almost every night. He hardly exercised. His diet consisted mostly of processed foods. Little by little, those habits affected his circulation, his energy, his confidence, and eventually his intimate life. The encouraging news is that after making several simple lifestyle changes, Michael noticed improvements he never expected. He wasn't trying to become 20 years younger. He simply wanted to feel healthy again. And that's exactly what happened. His story isn't unique. I hear stories like this almost every week. That's why I encourage you to stay with me until the end of this video. Because the 7 habits we're about to discuss don't just affect your sex life. They affect your heart, your brain, your muscles, your balance, your independence, and ultimately, how well you enjoy the years ahead. Let's begin with number 7. Because it's one of the biggest mistakes seniors over 60 continue to make without even realizing it. I'm glad you stayed because what we're about to discuss could change the way you think about aging. The next habit is one that many seniors believe is completely harmless. In fact, some even think it's helping them. It's sleeping with the television on every night. If you've been doing this for years, you're certainly not alone. Many older adults say the TV helps them relax or keeps them from feeling lonely. But here's what most people don't realize. Even if you fall asleep quickly, the light and changing sounds can interrupt the deep sleep your body needs to repair itself. Poor sleep doesn't just leave you feeling tired the next morning. Over time, it can affect your memory, your mood, your heart, your energy, and even your interest in intimacy. I remember a 76-year-old woman named Linda. She told me she couldn't sleep without the television. Every morning she woke up feeling exhausted, even after spending 8 hours in bed. Her doctor suggested one simple change: turn off the television before sleeping and keep the bedroom as dark and quiet as possible. Within a few weeks, Linda noticed she woke up feeling more refreshed. She had more energy during the day, felt happier, and even started taking morning walks again. Sometimes it's the smallest habits that make the biggest difference. And the next habit is even more surprising because millions of seniors do it every afternoon without realizing how it may slowly affect their health. The next habit is one that many people never think about. It's skipping strength-building activities because you believe walking is enough. Walking is excellent for your heart and overall health, but after 60, your muscles naturally become weaker if you don't use them. Weak muscles can make it harder to climb stairs, carry groceries, stand up from a chair, or keep your balance. I remember talking with a 79-year-old man named David. He proudly told me he walked every morning, yet he still felt his legs getting weaker each year. His physical therapist asked him to add a few simple chair exercises and light leg movements just 3 times a week. David wasn't expecting much, but after 2 months he noticed standing up felt easier. He walked with more confidence and no longer needed to hold on to furniture around the house. The lesson wasn't to stop walking, it was to give his muscles a reason to stay strong. As we get older, muscle strength becomes just as important as heart health. Now here's another habit that quietly affects thousands of seniors. Ignoring changes in your hearing. Many people think it's just a little hearing loss. But when you struggle to hear conversations, your brain has to work much harder. Over time, this can leave you feeling mentally tired, less social, and even more isolated. If family members often repeat themselves or you keep turning up the TV volume, don't ignore it. A simple hearing test could make a bigger difference than you imagine. And finally, we're about to discuss the number one habit. It's something millions of seniors do every single day without realizing how much it may affect their health, energy, and independence. The number one habit is something almost every senior does. It's ignoring regular health checkups because you feel fine. Many serious health problems don't cause obvious symptoms in the beginning. High blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, poor circulation, and even heart disease can quietly develop for years before you notice anything is wrong. I remember a 75-year-old woman named Susan. She told me she hadn't seen her doctor in nearly 4 years because she felt healthy. When she finally scheduled a routine checkup, she was shocked to learn her blood pressure was dangerously high. The good news was that it was caught before it caused a stroke or heart attack. One simple appointment may have saved her life. That's why regular checkups aren't about looking for bad news. They're about finding small problems before they become big ones. Let's quickly review the 7 habits we talked about today. Don't spend hours sitting without moving. Don't sleep with the television on every night. Don't rely only on walking while ignoring muscle strength. Don't ignore changes in your hearing. Don't skip regular health checkups. And most importantly, don't assume that getting older automatically means getting weaker. Your body is always responding to the choices you make every day. Small changes may not seem important today, but over months and years, they can make a remarkable difference in how you move, think, and enjoy life. Remember, healthy aging isn't about becoming younger. It's about protecting your independence, your confidence, and your freedom for as long as possible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest senior health tips. And before you go, leave a comment below telling us your age and which habit surprised you the most. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.